I'll go.
Oh my, come on! Oh my god, you're sweet! Oh my god!
Yeah, I already said it. I'll go second. Like, I already said it.
Okay.
I don't know what this deck wants to do.
What, Doflamingo or my deck?
Yours.
This is going second deck.
Oh, so I said that right there.
Yeah.
I don't think Dofi like cares because it throws off. It can throw off his Dawn at a certain time. Like,
Because, like...
it's like really. I think Dofi's like one of those decks where it's like
It's
really
okay
dependent
either way.
on. I think it depends on what you want to
Yeah.
play out.
Because you can easily enough find your baby 5s or your sugars, the 4-cost ones.
Yeah.
And you can easily enough find your Monets or your other guys.
Yeah.
To where it doesn't like matter. I'm gonna keep it.
I'm all in here.
I saw this live. I'm just gonna like shuffle it in.
What you playing today?
Huh? Dofi. Drop deck, right?
What are you playing today?
Gecko. I'm just so happy that it's not Ace and Emu everywhere. Because, well, here.
You said what?
Because I was so tired of that. After 13, I played enough.
That set is
Yeah.
awesome. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, Rob Lucci Brush.
Okay.
What do you mean? I get a?
Me go first. Sure thing.
He's gonna be a 6 or 7. 6, 7 on turn 3.
I work with kids. Don't hear the end of that.
Unremovable.
Start us off.
Bobby. Don't leave me hanging. Boom. Alright, video can't start unless you do that. Mill 5. Okay. Alright, we got... Okay, pass.
Draw.
3 Pronas.
Good. 2 down.
Absolutely. Remember when we were at the show? I traded my DMG for this, plus a little bit more.
Ooh. Is that like a real down that they made?
It's a real one, yeah.
That shit
Of
is
that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's just like the. This one's just like the regular like.
Yeah, it's still fire though.
Yeah, it's the shiny, so it has like a. You know, you can feel it. You can feel
Yeah.
it. Like,
Even
that's texturing.
even the regular foil is still like $7 or $8 or something for some reason. It's just a really nice looking Dawn.
I said that I like how they still has. I like how they still kept like the theme of the purple things with the alts and stuff like that. Cause you know like the earlier
It's very purple,
alts and
yeah.
stuff like that were purple because it was purple green Dofi.
And it was just... Yeah, kind of.
That one's better than the original.
2 at year 1.
Yeah.
I won't throw any.
Keep my cards up here. I usually keep mine up here too, but it's like forced me to put it right here because of this man.
Oh. Yeah, the zones. I don't like zones. Let's go 5 at you. No one attacking.
I'll take it.
Okay. I'll play an Absalom on KO. Search the top 3 for a Thriller Bark. Pass.
Okay. I'll draw for turn. I'm not even gonna lie, you.
Nice.
Yeah, I need 2 more. I have like a whole bunch. Like I didn't put it in here, but I need like literally like 2 more. And I don't want to play it with 2 different copies of it.
You know what you should do? You should get a Rosie Dawn and a Doflamingo Dawn. To finish it off.
Look at the top 5.
4, Rampadon.
I'm saying that because I have a Rosie Dawn on me. I do actually, but shameless.
6.
Sure. Yeah, trigger. I'll play a pro out of my life.
Okay.
Frozen.
Yeah. Pass.
Okay, it's no longer frozen. Gotta make sure. Okay.
Where's my? Where I put my dice? Put it back.
It's not frozen right now, but
Oh, okay.
Like,
Yeah. Okay.
I
So
play
it's
it-
into the end of my. Okay.
yeah, it's weird. It works like that on the sim. I don't know if that's like that in real life, but on the sim it ends like if you pass. So
Okay.
it doesn't make sense anyways.
What is it?
It's like until the end of your next turn, but like I don't know.
Into your opponent's next. Into your opponent's next end phase.
Yeah. Let's go 5 at you.
You're at 4.
Yeah, I'm at 5 Dawn.
5.
So I went first.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my.
Fuck, I love the line.
5 again.
That's what weird, the Cardi.
Pretty good. Alright, I'll play out Bush. Tishigi. So Tishigi says if a green character other than Tishigi.
I'll play Lilith.
Just swap.
4.
That's Smoker.
Oh,
But that's Tishigi. Smoker, Tishigi.
It's an arc.
Yep.
It's an arc.
Yeah, it's an arc.
Okay.
one more 5.
That just threw me off so bad.
So, as I was saying, yeah, if a green character other than
Hog back.
Mhm.
On KO, I can play a guy from my trash. A 4 cost or less with a trigger. Pass.
yeah.
What's her KO?
Freeze
Freeze
again.
again? Okay, I got you.
So as I was saying, yeah. The first thing you did, you'll find out because you got that. Alright. So basically,
Yeah, 7 Dawn.
if you were to remove, let's just say if I had a green character, yeah. So let's just say if I had Ocean Roll in the field, and you were to remove it like with a card effect, let's just say you were to put it back in the game, you can rest Tishigi,
7.
So basically, I remember.
This one lets you search, right?
Search. And this is freeze.
7.
Repeat it one more time.
Frozen.
Yep.
and let's just say,
Boop. Doesn't matter.
imagine that this was a
Just to say exactly how you said it.
5.
There was a lot of information.
So basically,
Thinking.
You said a whole lot of nothing on top of something. That's what I'm talking
alright, so if another green thing,
Yeah.
so let's just say
Infants.
Zoro.
No trash?
Nope. Free stance.
Put it back in.
Fuck, I'm so ugly. Fuck,
about. But what if I
I'm so ugly.
Then shoot.
Oh, at least he's saying it.
I'm so chopped. That's a monkey trading card game. Oh my
Dude, he's-
Oh my lord.
I'm going to lose.
Fuck, oh my god.
Lose. It's a fucker.
Leader skill. I'm gonna trash Sindri to buff my board by 1.
Yep.
I'll go
6.
Wicked in here.
Oh my god.
I was actually gonna get
Yeah.
these.
We love those.
You got any more? Dude.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
I do. I have at home. I have them at home. Remind me. 6 at you.
Do a trade for a trade. Mono Moon gave me this because they took so damn long.
We love the mid trade.
What straw hat decks do I have? I mean, I have the starter deck, and it's okay, but I mean, you know, I do have a BP Luffy. Yeah, it's like okay. I don't even have Dawn in the deck box for that. So
You said how much?
6,
6 of life. 4 Dawn open.
7 Dawn open.
7 Dawn open. Think so. I think I can. KO trigger.
Sure.
Trigger effect.
Oh, so fucking ugly.
Play on Monet.
Yep.
Aim down
Fuck,
effect.
fuck, fuck, I'm so ugly.
I'm not even looking up.
Oh wait,
You keep looking
what the
up.
hell? Yeah, no, that's something that we played.
Okay.
They have Hiyori.
Oh my, Bo is handsome, bro. You see
I asked you.
6 cost Gecko.
On top of your life.
I'll attach a Rested Dawn and then play a character for my trash. I'll grab Perona and then I'm gonna freeze Monet.
Yep.
Show that I like that. And then I'll go 6. I'll go 7 at you now. Because it's buffed my by
Yeah,
skill.
That's not the issue.
That's why they had to make this thing.
Rasha?
How many go right now?
4.
Come on, it's a black deck, baby.
So,
You sick.
Cards in?
4. Just ask that.
No, my bad.
What the? Poop from a butt?
I don't like that.
Oh my god. I was like, I'm gonna lose this
it's
game.
part of the photo first. So, hold on.
Don't say that.
Stuff right there.
See. My trigger.
Top roll.
7.
Always take because
That's the thing about green purple Doflamingo is that they attack and I'll be searching like 3 times. I'm like, okay, it dies.
Oh my god.
It's hilarious.
Yeah, sometimes I like just like use like things just for like the counter of it and just take the life.
Yeah, yeah.
I was kind of scared. I don't know if I've done that. I do have 3 rounds.
oh my god. Are we playing Croc?
I think I
Have
do.
Violet.
She a
And how
1?
much was it?
7 at you.
I think I do.
Is Violet a 1?
Yeah.
Okay. She's the guy that gets you a purple event from your trash.
Yeah.
Do you have to don minus for that or no? Just grab it?
Yeah, I have the most.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to give you. We'll do this.
So
Use that whenever you
I
like,
gave you 2
take a life
1.
or whatever.
I think right. Yeah. 5.
Yeah, 2 and 1.
So that it's an indicator. So whenever, yeah, and whenever this is off, that means that we have.
He's the one.
When this going on there,
No, he's the one.
Sure.
This is actually a 5K.
I will pass.
Yeah, Christine,
I think I do.
9 don.
Funny, bro. You're really funny, you know? You think I'm a retard?
oh my god.
I was like, I was just happy I had at least this off on there. I didn't have nah, I think.
Yeah, nothing else to play up with that dude on.
Yeah, 6.
No, dude takes a life.
Six. This one. Play out a card with the trigger.
You take the card that we just placed there.
Yeah.
He'll die.
That's why you place
Active Perona, frozen.
My 9 don turn was leader effect and
Yeah, okay. Why not?
oh, then swing big. I did make it to my 10 don.
What did I do for
My
you?
first like 3 to 4 searches when spec drops.
Baby 5. I don't know.
Sure. I have possible.
Virgo.
I'll go in. Just in too.
Sure.
It was a
Oh, I trashed my dog.
Yeah, but that's
shit out off my fucking screen.
Uh,
remember why we put Keep the New. I'm a 4 life leader. All you have to do, yeah, basically you just have to
5 at you.
close.
I went into attacking. Ran.
Yeah.
Yeah, so take
New
this.
sword.
trigger.
5. What was that? I just got
Oh, minus.
Don't ask me. Okay.
Uh,
No more questions, guys.
leader skill. I will trash the Corona, and then Virgo can't attack.
Yep.
Cards in hand?
2.
We're at 5, but smoker.
Uh,
This is the thing.
go 6 at you.
And get the card. So now, Leader has a good. Has 2 things. On your turn,
Oh,
It takes, right?
yeah, you pick it up, and then I add 1.
Okay.
6 at you.
basically, all of your Navy or Funko's attack phases on your turn.
To trash 1, ramp 2 rested.
On your turn, you'll be okay.
So when I attack you, there are it's 8
She's also but yeah.
6.
8 5.
But basically, the thing that became the most thing was after you made 1 for 25, a character can be 7 with a 7k or more. And you said up to 2 my down attack.
Pass.
And then Smoker has the thing he set up to one of my down cards as active, and then that thing says set cards as active. Using character types during this turn. Alright, so I'll use my Smoker first. And then we'll use Smoker first.
6 at lead.
2.
9 at lead.
5. But up this.
No trigger.
Get them to rested.
You're done. I mean, not your done. Your leader.
Yeah,
Guessing
so
these 3?
Smoker A and the Smoker A on us 2.
I don't know if you got another one.
I have some dice, yeah.
And then 5 at lead.
1. Cards in hand?
Oh, and then in Rosen.
Yeah, restand 2.
3.
How about 20? Oh, wait, no, I can't do that. Can't do that.
You can do that. No, you want to do that?
No, you're redirect. I'll just do 10 at you. 11. 11 away.
Oop, my bad. I ain't in ramp 2.
Yeah, the reason why you want to go from the top is you're most
Yeah.
likely going to take that.
I don't think this is a good match.
I don't know what you could have done differently. You have to see in the video. But you'd be able to see my hand the whole time, so
Hmm? Well, I mean, you can think of it.
yeah.
I think my hand was just big bodies though.
Fuck, I'm sweating.
So I had
Good game, by the way.
yeah.
So nervous.
My hand was